Hey guys, if the title of the video caught your eye, how to own $1 million house, it's actually a lot easier than you might think. And it's done by price jumping. Price jumping is very simple, guys, so I'll give you a rundown. So for example, say you owned a $600,000 house that you bought 5-6 years ago. Now with normal price appreciation, that home is now worth $800,000. So now you have a $200,000 gap between that $1 million home that you've always wanted to own. Well, what do? Okay, well, the higher end market for $1 million homes is a lot slower than, say, a $500,000, $400,000 house. Okay, so a lot of these homes are sitting on the market for longer periods of time. So a seller would be a lot more easily enticed to accept an offer around $900,000. So for this example, say you submit an offer for $900,000 and it gets accepted. Okay, well now you have a $100,000 gap. Okay, so for every $100,000 of mortgage you add on to a loan, it's around $600 in a monthly payment. Okay, so what's your second biggest investment in most people's lives? You got it right, it's your car loan, right? So all you have to do is get rid of that flashy car that you bought and you have a high monthly payment on, okay, and downgrade to another car, and now you can afford that $1 million home, and now you're building equity, and it's a great investment rather than a depreciating asset in a car. So that's how you afford $1 million home. It's very possible with the term price jumping. Hopefully this video helped, and we'll see you guys next week. Thanks.